Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kat ba ka sarkar jala kadang rakhi yakni kasngi buram jong ini hikai. Hakawai pat kabenta jong nong ba Shillong kata ka kanhon jong kino hikai school Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Kibaran hapo ka Shatri jong ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association. Nakani ka riluam khasi bat na riluam Garo. Bakan top ya ka All Garo Hills Lower Primary and Upper Primary School Teachers Association. Hanne kasngi ka santrek unailar. Kila kantat banyashimanta hakani ki rakhi. Kajing kantat jong kini ki artli ki kanhon jong kino hikai school SSA. Banyashimanta hakji rakhi ye kasngi buram jong kino hikai. Kalong halor ka jingbam pelat ke sarkar jela ya ketulap ke basan benai bar ya ka area ke baprab nai kanthi kini ki artli ki hon jong kino hikai school SSA kom sibenta ke jing percaya ke sarkar kila pelong ru dak jing song kalai mengor ha parking lot ke badan markhab bat ke office rekam jong ka additional secretariat
adin bagi layu ka arti ai baka pani ngi ba kamdon ni na state government bra receive report central government na kata daw misim ya karai mata kasngi ban pelong ya kane ka sitting on demonstration ban kampan kuloi ban penyo no RT salary ke jungi basan benai kenti benda ngi demand nak state government ba kampan kuloi sa central government lang ba state government kan conference kan central government ba kampan kuloi ban penyo ban pen le ita gilat ilenti ban watlat ban pen kuloi na kata tulok ke jungi walada lada don nang no ka fon nak state government ru yele kat bala bat pensiu na tulok jungi marba ngimtip nang no kinyo nang no kinwan riba tam jungi sin bangi la tre lada ngilit bela ngilit tre nang no ru sin bang ila trei don kami iban siu ko bainong trei warni tangata kumbang ngeskuang penslo bi bangi kino hikai ngesule rain bangi haban mi pai ba man kasin bat man kapor marka salary go jungi umde tang beta kasin gede balak palat du san benai da don man kapor man galai benai man ka ar benai gi chadile ka salary go jungi ringi diman nadu beta kasin la dalong ko balak kata ka division polisi bahkan siu no man lau benai mar bangi kwa balak no man lau benai don kam kumutui don kam nyiri don kam gaju don kun dikti tung mai yeso no kino hikai jing yong ba wat namban tit khau wat ban pangkun haban pan keliang nar laksan belai don so no ka kafan le ka pisa ban penun kam nam ta ying ba dinon kam jigina ying nasat bara kam sungap nya biai kan accept patang yap sim garai da komiti nimla ban ai rayang ne kan bar ba kam de tam jung simet de kam jung bun balang barang kai pada ngilang ikwa ban eslo tilang jung baro ya sion bade jung SSC banyarat dan khong ya ketika jingi jungi kino hikai SSC kada kasini war kada kasini nam ta jungi kino hikai ba special dan nam ta jungi rung pelong special nam ta jungi ban pau ya kata ka jing dawa ka jungi kadang bangin la ban pensngon marba kada ngimle akum kini gijat singi ngimle kui pat kipor ka sarkar jung campaign no ka susabit kumne.
Last time we have submitted various memorandums to our concerned authorities. At the same time, last month on 8 we have done a relay in William Nagar district also. After that also we have met to our concerned authorities regarding our salaries, 5 months pending salaries, as well as 8 months pending arrears from the PAB up to 2016 and 17. But till now the position is the same. So we are here therefore to protest and demand physically to release our pending salaries and arrears. If government continues to pending our salaries like this, in future we may not be able to do our duties without food.
Halor kani ka jekhi jogino hikai school SSA hanne kasngi ka santrek unai lor ha ka jingkndo bad menteri rang ba ka jela u kontrat ke sangma ula pensyaru ban nakaleng ka sarkar kam syam la songklikti halor kani ka kam bat kalaya sakman banwangi kini gijing jong kini kino hikai ya kani u kontrat ke sangma ula pensai ha ka jingkndo bat kinong pathai khobor hadin gijing bam smai komo MLA bapura jong ka yung darbar thawan ka jela.
The government of India has decided to cap the teachers of the salaries of the teachers. There are some states that are giving 28,000. There are some states that are giving 30,000. And in our state, for a particular category, we're giving 19,000 and another category 20,000. So different states have got different category or different salaries that were prescribed from long time back. So Government of India decided that, we can't give different amounts to different states. So we are capping the entire amount at 15,000 rupees for every teacher throughout the country, irrespective of what you got last year. We're going to cap 15,000. So ours was 19,000, so they've capped it at 15,000. Some states were 28,000 and they capped it at 15,000. That means 13,000 will have to be, borne by the state in one way. So this particular issue was something that most of the state governments did not agree to, including our state. simply because you could leave the salaries at the same, but bringing it down is something that is unacceptable to anybody. Faced with a situation like that, we decided not to accept the government of India's particular decision. All the states, that is not just our state. And that is the reason why we've been negotiating with them, discussing with them, and trying to ensure for the, fighting for our teachers, I should say. We've been fighting for them for the past 3-4 months. In fact, we had been fighting the past 3-4 months from March, April, May, June. And but at one point, of course, there was a lot of pressure from teachers, and it's still there, that they wanted the salaries released. We tried to explain them, but now we had no option, and therefore the state has more or less agreed to some of the terms and conditions that have been laid down by the government of India. And this negotiation is what actually took time. And this negotiation is not for the state, but it is for the teachers. So because we were fighting for the teachers' rights, and this fighting took a lot of time, and still we could not get through, none of the state governments could get through, it's not just us. And that is why this delay has taken place. And now we are at a very critical juncture where there will be a huge impact on the state's budget because of the sudden decrease in the salaries of the SSA teachers. And as I said, now we are at a point where because delay was too long, we had to somewhat agree to Government of India's offer, and now we are at the point where we have to decide on how, and we will find out how we will be able to cap that difference of funds that are being reduced from Government of India for all the states in the country. And the amount is quite big. I think yesterday Education Minister or somebody had come out with a statement regarding that amount. So it's going to be quite a challenge for the state government to fulfill this.